Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning to everyone students. Welcome to chemistry class. In the previous class we studied a quantum mechanical model of an atom. In that we already studied this Schrödinger wave equation. Based on that wave equation we get a concept of quantum numbers. There are four quantum numbers. Those are principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. The first one is a principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. Then the second one is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. Then the third one is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. And the fourth one is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. These are the four basic quantum numbers. Now the principal quantum number is indicated by the symbol n, azimuthal quantum number n, and the magnetic quantum number m, and the spin quantum number is s. That is, the letters indicated always in small letter. Small letter. These are the indications. Now, what are the significance of these quantum number? It means why or what is the need to study these quantum numbers? That is to know, we have to study the significance. Significance of quantum numbers. The first quantum number is principal quantum number indicated by small n. It signifies the size of an orbital or main energy of an electron. It signifies main energy of an electron or size of shells. Shells na size and indicate madutte illandre main energy. Later we have studied in detail. First learn the significance, very important for 4 marks. We should write this much, it is enough. Definitely they will ask for 4 marks. The principal quantum number signifies the main energy of an electron or size of the shell, and the azimuthal quantum number indicates the shape of the orbitals. And similarly, the magnetic quantum number signifies the orientation of orbitals. And the spin quantum number signifies the spin of an electron. These are the significance of these four quantum numbers. Now take first one, the principal quantum number. This principal quantum number signifies the main energy of an electron. Those indicated by n. The n values is given 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. This is the main energy levels. These numbers indicates the size of an shells. If n value is 1, then the shell number is given by k. If n is equal to 1, then the shell is called k shell. If n is equal to 2, the shell is called k l shell. That is written in capital letters. If n is equal to 3, then the shell number is k l m. Then 4, that is n, like that, so on. These 4 numbers is enough to write the electronic configuration of all elements present in the periodic table. That is total 116 elements. This is the indication. Okay, that is principal quantum number. Then the second one is azimuthal quantum number. It signifies the shape of an orbital. These azimuthal quantum number for n values, the azimuthal quantum number is written from 0 to n minus 1. For n values, the L values are given 0 to n minus 1. If the n value is 1, then the L values are given 0 to n minus 1. It means in place of n write 1 minus 0 get 0. That is 0 to in place of n write 1, that is 1 minus 1, you get 0, that is 0 to 0. 0 to 0 means what? 0 only. It means for n is equal to 1, the L value get only 0. Okay, right? For n is equal to 1, the L values is started from 0 to n minus 1. So for n is equal to 1, you get what? The L value is 0 only. Okay, then similarly for n is equal to 2, the L values is right 0 to n minus 1. N is equal to 2. Also what you get? 0 to n is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is nothing but 0 and 1 only. For n is equal to 2, the L values is 0, 1. Okay, are you understanding? Similarly, for n is equal to 3, the L values are right. N is equal to 3 means what? 3 is equal to what? 0 to n plus 3, substitute 3 minus 1, that is equal to what you get? 0 to 2. 0 to 2 means what? 0, 1 and 2. There is 3 values, right? That is the n is equal to 1 means 0, 1 and 2. This is the n is equal to 3 values. Similarly, write the n values, so L values for n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4 ಆದರೆ L values ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3 ಗೆ 0 1 2 ಬಂತು, 2 ಗೆ 0 and 1 ಗೆ 0 ಬಂತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? what you expected? 0 1 and 2 and 3. but total you have 4 values. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ನಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ those are the values of L. So here observe, it indicates what? The shape of the orbitals. So that if L is equal to 0, L is equal to 0, it means the L values is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. L values ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 0 ನಿಂದ. 0, 0 and 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 1, 0 1 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 1, ಮತ್ತೆ 0 1 2 3, ಮತ್ತೆ 4 5 like that. There is values of n, right? What it indicates? Shape. That is if L is equal to 0, L is equal to 0, that indicates S orbital. S orbital. What is shape? Spherical. Spherical, right? Similarly, if L is equal to 1, it is P orbital. P orbital. What its shape? You know already. Dumbbell. Okay, dumbbell shape. Similarly, if L is equal to 2, what it called? D orbital. I hope you understanding D orbital. Then what its shape? Double dumbbell. Sorry, double dumbbell. Okay. So similarly, if L is equal to 3, L is equal to 3, what is called? F orbital. What's the shape of F orbital? We can't predict, so that we write complex, right? Means difficult to write, that is complex. These are the shape of orbital that is indicated only the values of L. L values matra indicate madutte. This is the significance. Then similarly, take third one, magnetic quantum number. This magnetic quantum number indicates the orientation of orbitals. Orientation means in the which direction the orbitals is oriented. It means either in x direction or y direction or z direction. That is the indication. Here for L values, we are giving the m values. For each L value, the m values are indicated by 2L plus 1. 2L plus 1. It means the m values. These orbitals, you know, the m values for a given L values is given by, that is the m values is 2L plus 1. It means from minus 1 to 0 to plus 1. This is the values, that is minus 1 to 0, 0 to plus 1. This is the values of m. It calculated by using L values, the formula 2L plus 1. For example, observe if L value is 0. L value is 0, substitute here 2L plus 1 plus 1. So in place of L, you get 0. 2 into 0 plus 1. What you get? Only 1. It means the m value is 1. That is plus 1. Like that. So you get only one value. This one value is what? 0. A 1 ಬರುವಂತ value ಯಾವುದು? 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. According to this formula. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. If you not understand, observe here. the magnetic quantum number is indicated or it signifies the orientation of orbital. It means the orbitals is oriented in either x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. That can be calculated by using the L values. For each L values, the M values is calculated by using the formula 2L plus 1. It means its value is started from 0, that is minus 1 to 0, 0 to plus 1. For L is equal to 0, for L is equal to 0, the M values are, substitute in place of L is 0, that is 2 into 0 plus 1. What you get? 1. 0 into 2, you get 0 plus 1, you get only 1. So 1 is not a value, it means you get only 1 value. 1 ಅನ್ನೋದೇ value ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟು value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That 1 is what? 0. So M value is 0. 0 for L is equal to 1. See, L is equal to 0. Similarly, for L is equal to 0, you get only 1 value, that is 0. And L is equal to 1, you get how many values? Put here. In place of N is equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 1. That is 2 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. You get 3 values, right? For 0, you get only value 0. And N is equal to 1, means L is equal to 1. You get 3 values, those are minus 1, 0, comma plus 1. These are 3 values for 1. This 1 is for this one. Okay. Similarly, for 0, how many values you get? 0 only. For 1, how many values you get? If N is equal to 1, you get 3 values. Those 3 values are minus 1, 0 and plus 1. Plus 1, right? These 3 values. Similarly, for N is equal to 2, substitute here 2. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. You get 5 values for N is equal to 2. Those 5 values can be written like that: minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. These are the 5 values for N is equal to 2. Okay. These M values indicates the orientation of orbitals and number of orbitals present in the each shell. ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಶೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ L is equal to 3 ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 7 ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 7 ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? Those 7 orbitals can be written, that is 0. These all are common. For L is equal to 3, I am writing here, that is minus 3. For 2 minus 2 in the start again. For 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2 and plus 3. These are the 7 values for L is equal to 3. Okay. So here M is equal to 0 means spherical. That is S orbital. There is no orientation. S orbital ಗೆ orientation ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ no direction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, direction ಇಲ್ಲ. So minus 1 P orbital minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? So that can be written here. So this is the simple written way. So L value is 0, then M value get 0 only, right? To L plus 1 substitute, you get only 0. One value you get, that is 0. So this 1 is indicated by what? S orbital. S orbital. It doesn't have direction, no direction. So we need to represent either it is x, y or z axis. So similarly, if L is equal to 1, you get the 3 orbitals. These 3 orbitals having different direction, that is pxy direction or pyz direction or pzx direction. This is the direction of x-axis. So representation of orbitals, those we are learning later, how we have to represent pxy orbital, pyz orbitals or pzx orbitals. Just I am writing here how to represent p orbital. You know, p orbital is double in shape, that is the right, like that. This is the p orbital. If you to write pxy orbital, right, pxy orbital, here there is no z axis. It means the orbital is present in z axis, that is like that. Right, 2 axis, one is z and another is x or y, anyone you take up. So the orbital is present in z axis, so that it is written as pxy. Similarly, pyz, here there is no x, so that the orbital is present in x axis. This is x and this is y. The orbital is present on x axis. Like that, we are representing the direction of orbitals. This is you learn in next classes, means later classes. So here L is equal to 2. We get the 5 values for M1. So that is one is D. So L is equal to 2. You get what? D orbital. This is P orbital. This is X orbital. This is f orbital, right? So for d, this is dxy and dyz and dzx, and this is dx square minus y square and this is dz square, like that. This is the d orbitals, and f is complex, so for these one we can't write like the orbital values here, indication or direction, because it is complex we can't write the orbital direction on the axis. This is the orientation of m, that is magnetic quantum number. Then last one, spin quantum number. The spin quantum number indicates what? It signifies the spin of an electron. It means for electron there is two types of spin, that is plus of spin and minus of spin. There is two spins for an electron. If the spin is in up direction, that is plus of. If spin of an electron is down direction, means downward, that is minus of. These are the two types of spins indicated for all electrons. And the all electrons go 8 ತರ spin irutte, one is up spin, one is down spin. This is the significance and explanation of detail of an orbitals. Now writing the values of SL, writing of N, M values and S values for each quantum number and how many electrons are filling in each orbit, that can be simply calculated by writing the chart. So observe here, we are making a chart to calculate number of electrons in an each shell. This is N, principal quantum number, and shell number, and K, this is the shell. L, azimuthal quantum number, it is used to calculate 0 to n minus 1 formula, and name of the shell, here we are